Welcome back to Beyond the Lens Productions. And today's video is for you guys, all of you guys out there who have watched my video, who have followed along on my YouTube journey. I want to take a few minutes to talk about the channel, where it's been, where it's going, and some thank yous to you guys out there. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro and we'll get right to it. Guys, today's video is dedicated to all of my not only loyal subscribers, but also my viewers out there that may not even be subscribed but have been watching my videos. And if you're not subscribed, please take a moment to do so. I would really appreciate it. And I just wanted to take some time today to let you guys know that just this past week, this channel here that you are watching has officially been monetized. So after many months of hard work and dedication, it's paid off. So I have just recently got the notification the other day that I've been monetized. So I wanted to take a few moments here to thank all of you guys out there for helping me out on this journey. I want to actually make a special shout out to one of my most loyal fans. Has probably been with me pretty close to the beginning. I'm not sure exactly how many subscribers I had when he joined me, but I'm thinking it was around 150, 200, something like that. That would be Ols 98. I have always enjoyed reading your comments and your feedback. You've helped me come up with some content for my videos as well. So, special thank you to you. I really do appreciate your help in that. So, what does it mean? Well, basically, this means that, most people on YouTube, their ultimate goal is to get monetized, which means that you are making money off of ads that YouTube plays on your videos. So, without that, there's really not wouldn't be much motivation for people to make videos on here. So, I'm going to assume that that's kind of the reason why most of us YouTubers are here. So you had to have 4,000 hours that people have watched your content, as well as 1,000 subscribers. Now, there's another way you can do it. You can also do it with getting 10 million views in 90 days on YouTube Shorts. I've never really spent a lot of time, as you'll notice from my channel, doing that because that really just wasn't something I enjoyed doing. So I might make an upcoming video too to explain to people how I became monetized and all the details of what I did and any tips I might offer other YouTubers. But for now, I just want to focus on thanking my loyal viewers for all their time and they spent watching my videos. Now, going back to the reason why I've done long form video is because it's something I genuinely enjoy doing. I wasn't quite sure in the beginning what I was going to make this channel about. And if you go back to some of my early videos, I kind of went through a lot of different ideas and what I wanted to do. And the automotive content's the one that stuck. That's the one that seemed to get the views. Not sure why, but I have a feeling. I think it may go into the fact that that was really truly the topic that I am most passionate about. I grew up in a car family. My father worked for General Motors for many years, so that's kind of the what I grew up around. I always followed along with that, and I love cars and learning about them and whatnot, even long before I even had a license where I could drive. So it just seemed to be a natural fit for me to try that. So, and I maybe the passion I show for it showed through in the videos. I don't know. I've had to get used to talking in front of a camera. That's not something that necessarily came naturally to me. I'm genuinely a pretty outgoing person, but to sit here and talk to a camera, it's a little bit different. Not gonna lie. It's kind of awkward at first, but now I'm kind of getting used to it, and I'm actually enjoying it. So that would be my advice to anyone starting a channel is if you ever have a dream of starting a YouTube channel yourself, pick some topic you're passionate about and go with it. That's really my thing here. So that's kind of why I chose that. There is a lot of things going on in the automotive world today, so there's really no shortage of content there. There's lots of changes happening along, like the battle between electric vehicles versus gas vehicles versus all the other technology that's out there right now too. So I've had lots of opportunities to draw content from that as well. So I didn't want to make this too long of a video today. I just don't want to drone on and put you all to sleep. So I just want to quickly, again, like I said, thank you all for making this possible. I truly appreciate all of you. Without you, I would not be here doing this. So thank you. And if you enjoyed this content, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. If there's some type of video you would like to see me do in the future, please leave a comment below. Tell me about that as well. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.